You should have got it before when she... Ja, der!
That was sweet.
Den er, ikke... Er det en rigtig hund? Gør sådan her. Så bliver hun bare...
Den er specielt lavet til at score damer.
Gå på den anden side. Gå her. Sådan her. Ja. Nu gør det nu.
Det er en legetøjshund.
Den er godt nok flot. Jeg troede næsten, det var en ægte hund.
Men se, hvad
Ja.
der står.
Hvad hedder den? Den hedder Animagic. Animagic?
Tryk på det, du siger det dernede.
Det er et flot navn til en hund.
Did you read this? Vi armer den nye mørbrød. Jeg tænkte, hvorfor?
Ja, den er sød.
Okay. Ja, vi gør.
What do they say? Armor
Så godt den kan lide dig.
Then it's... But it was a huge article all about how fancy it is.
But I love this.
He's funny.
This is industrial grounds.
Hun hedder Louis.
Things that is smashed, you know, old
Still,
bags.
this is not gonna stay up. You see all these plants they have for earth food?
Just go like this.
And you know, I like that.
And then you can pat
Good
and
plants, there's small plants, there's lilac.
Still, no, the villa they can't even the permanent. Where are they living now?